So today I wanted to talk about a strategy that I've been using when working with house flippers. So one thing that we've been doing is we've been looking for houses that have a little bit larger size lot, a lot that, potentially could be subdivided. Why? Because what we can do is we can flip the house, subdivide the lot, and then sell off the lot, to a builder, or build on this lot and just get it at a cheaper cost because we've already included it into the ROI when it comes to the property. And in the market like the Charlotte market and the surrounding areas, land is becoming a hot commodity. And the good thing about going this route is that there's a lot of land out there that's attached to these houses that already have utilities available, such as sewer and water. In the Charlotte market, something that's kind of challenging when it comes to building houses is the infrastructure. For example, I'm out in Union County, and there's a lot of areas where you don't have water or sewer available. So you have to either do a septic system, which could be expensive depending on the type of septic system. Then you also have to drill a well. Depending how deep they have to go, that could be pretty well. So a good strategy when working with investors is, finding these older houses that are on larger lots and potentially subdividing them, because it's like a 2-in-1 deal.